Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the scene, park level, set brakes, and chock both ends so the trailer can't roll. Once done, lower the landing gear slightly to stabilize weight transfer and disconnect trailer air per the manual to avoid unexpected movement. Next, you unlock slider pins and remove safety clips. This is your first actionable step. Make sure the equalizer and rails are free of debris. If they're binding, clean them now so the tandem slides smoothly when you apply force. Now you start moving the tandems. With a partner guiding, gently push or pull the trailer using the tractor and shift in short, controlled increments, 1 to 3 feet, so you can monitor movement. Make sure to watch suspension deflection and measure from axle to reference point to reach the legal or load-specific position. If a slider sticks, use a pry bar or hydraulic jack at the rail, not the suspension, to break it free. Keep constant communication with your helper so the motion stays coordinated and safe. Finish by seating the tandems in the chosen position and fully inserting slider pins. Replace safety clips and torque any accessible fasteners to spec. Once locked, lower the landing gear a bit and perform a gentle test move. Apply light drive force to confirm the slider won't shift under load. If it does, stop immediately. Troubleshoot by releasing residual air from the system, tapping the rails with a rubber mallet, and trying the jack again, if still stuck. Call maintenance to avoid damage or injury.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.